GTS flight line.
Flight line, GTS go.
We're going to put power on now, okay?
Copied.
To fly on solar power takes very, very low mass. If you get rid of everything else, what's left is the thing you really need, a wing and propulsion.
All together!
But until it's actually airborne, it's hard to tell that all of it will work.
The sun is just coming up. We can see the daylight coming over the mountains now. Can you give me a wind check near the launch position?
Gusting 5 knots.
7 knots off the nose right now.
GTS flight line, please be advised the winds are shifting. This is it, we have to go.
So remove the safety straps and go fly.
Copy, we are ready for launch.
Good luck. All stations launching in 3, 2, 1.
Come on.
We're moving. Commands are coming up. 30%, 40, 50.
Please.
Full throttle.
This thing has the wingspan of an airliner and is going to fly on roughly the power of 3 blow dryers.
500 thrust. There's your speed.
Get liftoff.
Liftoff detected. And we're climbing.
It is flying.
Look at it, it's hovering there.
That's what it's designed to do, though, isn't it?
Yeah! Beautiful.
GTS aircraft looks stable. Section test point 1 complete. Starting test point 2. Climb out 500 feet above ground level.
Through minimum altitude.
We're getting excellent autopilot performance. It's behaving exactly as modeled.
About time to start that left.
Copy, 1 moment.